Hello, this is Henry, and I'd like to share my trades from today. First up, we have NIO. NIO, I observed setting up on the 30-minute, putting in a level here at 691 at 8 a.m., again at 9 a.m., and we have the breakout here at 9:30 a.m. And we'll come in for a bit more definition. And we'll see the descending triangle forming here. And we'll bring our attention over to the daily. I noticed it was resting on this non-EMA, which is this dark line here on the daily. I was hoping to get down to this 20 EMA here on the daily, this light blue line, or possibly this point of control here on the daily when I entered the trade. So I took an entry. Actually, I got some pullback and took an entry at 692. Had a stop at 697. First partial 682, second 672, which coincides with this point of control here on the 30-minute. And if we come up to the 60-minute, we'll see this green MA right here, which is the 200 SMA, which definitely held as support in this first candle here. And we'll see we pull back from this point of control here on the 30-minute. And for that, if we come over to the 15-minute, we'll see a bit more definition. And if you see this volume by price bar right here, this coincided with this point of control here on the 30-minute at the time of the trade. And we get pullback here. And if you see this dark blue line here, this is VWAP. So we get pulled back to VWAP and we start to sell off again. And if we come over here, we'll see we put in another level at 10:15, 10:30, and 10:45, and we get a breakout here at the 11 a.m. candle at this 675 level for some continuation. Let's see if we can make that one a little neater. Not much neater. Let's try one more time. All right, much like the first. So here we can see the other descending triangle here setting up, and we get another sell off, and we'll come back over to the 30, get another profit target at 662, another one at 652. We get a lot of support down here at 650, where you can see where this hammer right here starts the reversal. And if we come to the 15, you'll see get a really nice double bottom here. And this all coincides with this 200 where it was able to wick below but wasn't able to get much continuation here. And then we'll move over to my next trade, which was PLUG. PLUG was setting up beginning here at 715 at a level at 719 in the 715 candle. Let's see again here in this 815 candle, putting in a high at 719, and then I get the breakout here at 1015. I take an entry at 719, have a stop down here at 709 for a 10-cent stop. And even though I take this one off the 15 in order to get some better definition on the triangle, we'll come up to the 60. And you can see it puts it in there. Actually, let's do that one neater as well. And you can start to see the ascending triangle here forming on the 60. And we get the breakout. Let's go back over to the 15. So I get a breakout entry at 719, stop at 709, first target at 739, 749, 759. We get pullback, declining volume. We get another pop back up. I get a profit target at 69. And then even though the SPY was selling off at this time, it was able to continue pushing up. But you can see in this run down here, these two bars, and especially this 160-minute candle, you can see the sellers really came back in here and pushed this thing right back down to the breakout level. Touch my breakout level here at 719, this being the low. I get out at break even, stop me out. And then we can see we get a nice bounce. We get some support here. and it slowly makes its way back up over VWAP and finds support here on this 9 EMA on the 15 and ticks back up to 781, where I had my next target at 79. But that was my day today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the section below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.